Whew, it's been a while since I actually decided to film, and it's been a pretty busy couple months, but back at it again. We're at Sumas River today, targeting carp. It's my first time targeting carp. Stopped by at Save-On and grabbed sweet corn. It was only $1.79, pretty cheap, so pretty cheap fishing. And hopefully I hook into pretty big carp. It should be pretty fun with ultralight rod.
Hello.
Make sure to bring some gum boots or rubber boots, because do not bring your favorite shoes. It will get messy out here, pretty muddy. So, all right, today's setup. I got a light spinning rod, or ultralight, 2 to 6 pounds, and this is about 6'6" in length, and 20,000 series, and 6 pound main line, and not sure what my leader is actually, and just got a little lead weight, bottom rig, and I got size, I think this is 6, I'm not too sure, but it's around that size. Could be too small, but I didn't want to rig a new one, and let's start with that. I honestly have no idea how to rig this. But the good news is if I catch something, that means you guys can catch it too. I'm just gonna overload it. Try that. It's bouncing a little bit. I think it's because of the current. I think. Ooh, hit a hit. That's definitely a hit. Oh yes. Oh, that was right away. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is definitely a carp. That was a hard bite. Wow, I left my main camera. Oh wow. This was an ultralight. The tap it was like one tap. Ooh, my very first carp. Oh, there we go, there we go. Oh. That is definitely a carp. Nice. Forgot my net there. Oh, it's a tiny carp. Fight pretty good though. Look at that beauty. There's a carp. Oh wow, their scale is huge. Oh my goodness. Right. See you later, buddy. There he goes. There he goes. Yes! I only got one tiny lead, but I'm gonna add one more. There you go, that should be better now. You should hold the weight, or you should hold the bait in one place now. Alrighty, on to the other side. Perfecto. Ooh, just had a big hit. A huge hit. Come on, carpy carp. Okay, something weird's going on. There it is. Wow. There's a carp. Maybe I had the bite the whole time. I thought the current was taking it, and it's been like not even a minute that I casted it. Oh, wait. Oh, I snagged him at the back. I don't know how that happened. That is weird. That is weird. Oh no, I got him in the mouth. I thought I snagged him. Oh, calm down. There's a little carp thing here. Oh, he's bleeding a little bit in the mouth, but he should be fine. There you go, buddy. Nope, wrong way. There you go. Oh, I got him. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh, got off. Wow. Wait, do I have it? Oh no. That felt big. The bite was just like literally like that. Jeez, maybe I need a bigger hook. This hook is a little small. Darn it. Okay, it's been about 30-45 minutes since the last fish. Got a couple hit, but not too much than earlier. So I'm just gonna move down a little bit, see if that produces. But I mean, I can't complain. 2 fish, couple of missed bites. Had a really good tug, and I actually hooked a pretty big one and lost it off camera, of course. But that's been. Oh, there's one. There's one. Actually, it just got a hit here. That's funny. There's one. There's one. Of course, when the camera just goes off, doesn't feel that big, but hey, fish is a fish. It's a little carp, baby carp. There it is. Oh, I don't know if you guys see, but there's like schools of mosquitoes. I'm out. I'm out of here. It's time to go. If a mosquito comes out, I'm out. I'll see you guys later.